there everyone, I'm your girl Norleen. Welcome to WIMMS Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me guys in the kitchen where I will be doing for you comfort and beans. Alright guys, so as you can see I have a kilogram of cow feet. This is what we call cow foot at Jamaica. Some places you will see it marked cow heel. It's the same thing. It's the foot of the cow and we cut it. So I've already seasoned it with some black pepper, some oxtail seasoning, some Creole seasoning, and some steak seasoning, and of course my good old garlic salt. And I've added to that also a tablespoon of blended season. That's my green blended season. Remember, if you want to find out how I do this green season, just check the description and you'll see all the information about my green seasoning. Now guys, I have some browning and I'm gonna add half of a tablespoon, about a teaspoon to that, and I'm gonna rub this all in. I didn't want to use my hand, but I got. Alright guys, so in the pot I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and to that I'm going to put a full tablespoon of brown sugar. Alright guys, so I've added the tablespoon of brown sugar in the oil and I'm going to give it a few minutes for it to start caramelizing. When it actually starts getting a dark brown color, then I will stir it so that it does not burn. After that, people, I'm going to put in my cow foot, stir fry that a little bit, then I'm going to cover it down and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then I add some meat or vegetable stock. And then I will allow it to pressure for about 20 minutes. Guys, so this is what it actually starts looking like. And I don't want it to burn. So I want to thank my valuable subscribers for your continued support to WIMMS Kitchen. However, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button for awesome Jamaican and Caribbean cuisine. Give me some thumbs up, guys. Let me know you're enjoying my channel. All right, so let's check on what's going on in the pot. The juices from the meat have all been fried away, guys, and I'm just giving this a stir. Now, guys, it's time for the food for thought. It comes to us from Matthew 5 verse 6, and it says, "Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled." What an awesome promise. You are considered to be blessed if you thirst and hunger after righteousness. To the meat, I will add 3 cloves of garlic slightly pressed and a slightly pressed inch of ginger. Inch of ginger. Yeah. You see that ginger juice pouring out of that? And add it. I will add 2 cups of water, but guys, you can add beef stock if you so desire in the container that had seasoned the meat in, because guys, I want to get out all that seasoning that was left back in the container. I will then cover and pressure for about 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, the awesome beef scent just engulfs my kitchen, and I'm just opening the pressure pot to check on the meat. It looks awesome, guys. I feel like jumping in right now, but it's not quite done. I'm gonna check the tender level of the cow feet, and guys, it is not quite ready, so I'm gonna add about a 3/4 cups of water to this, cover and pressure for 5 additional minutes. Guys, I want my cow feet to be falling off the bone, tender and juicy. So guys, after 5 minutes, it is almost ready. Remember to exercise care when you're opening your pressure pot. Ensure that the fizz or the steam sound has completely stopped before you open the pressure pot cover. All right, guys, so we're nice up the thing because in 5 minutes, dinner will be served. So, guys, I've added one sliced medium carrot, half of an onion, quarter of a bell pepper, some leeks, a slice of scotch bonnet pepper, some oxtail season, a tablespoon of barbecue season, half of a teaspoon of black pepper, some Creole season, guys, and the beans. Now, guys, when I'm home, I have access to broad beans. However, it is not readily available in the supermarket where I live. So like we say, you have to turn your hand and make fashion. So I've added the butter beans, and guys, I'm just gonna give this a nice little gentle stir, and then guys, I will add some garlic salt, some thyme leaves, some oregano, cover to simmer for about 5 minutes. Guys, I know you're having an awesome time in the kitchen. So remember to press that subscribe button. Remember, turn on your post notification. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Share my channel with your friends and encourage them too to subscribe. This is indeed one of my mother's favorite. I can remember the days when she used to prepare this for my dad. It's another authentic Jamaican cuisine. Cow feet and beans served with blanched broccoli and cabbages. It's another of my favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I sure hope that you'd like the time you spent in the kitchen with me, where I did for you cow feet and beans, Jamaican style.